Well, this is the blizzard of 1996. I'm looking out the back door, patio door at the picnic bench, and you can get an idea of how much snow has fallen so far. It started snowing last night around 10 o'clock, and it's been snowing steadily ever since. This being about 25 minutes to 2 on Sunday afternoon of the following day. You can see there seems to be about, probably about 16 inches out there or so. And it's still coming down. Wind's starting to kick up right now. They say there's going to be some blizzard conditions. This is January the 7th, 1996. Looking out the back laundry room door window.
Why don't you get your clothes on, Bob, and just get out there?
Thank you, Georgie. Thank you, John Stabile, Governor Merrill, distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
You can bring that other shovel up
Some
here.
of
Some.
One is legislators' goals. And in Iowa, New Hampshire, that's getting pretty close. In Iowa, it's 26 legislators for Alexander and 24 for Senator Dole. In New Hampshire, I believe the last count is 48 for Senator Dole and 46 for me. Another way to measure progress is whether you pass.
Well, this is Saturday, January the 13th, 1996. We're in the aftermath of the blizzard of 96, and you can see the snow piled up high along the driveway in front of the house. The total snowfall last Sunday, when this whole thing started, was 20 inches. And then on Friday, this past Friday, we had an additional 6 inches. And it really made a mess. Today is above freezing and the thaw has started. It looks like if this keeps up, in a couple of days we'll be out of it. Here's the mailbox. I had to dig a hole out for the mailbox. The bushes are just about buried. Here's a big pile of snow that I had to put up to dig out the end of the driveway. It's piled up pretty good here. I spent a good part of yesterday digging the rest of this driveway out. I dug out and widened it yesterday so I could put the other car alongside. You can see I only have it dug out part way, just enough to get the car in. This is Jay's car here in the front. He's stopped off for a visit. One of the things that has me kind of worried is all this snow on the roof. However, they say in the paper Don't worry about it, that most roofs can take a load of snow. This doesn't seem to be quite as bad as it was the other day. I think some of it is blown off. The thing that you have to worry about is like on the end where it like here where it really piles up deep and it starts melting and it forms a pile of snow on the end and the water can't run off. And I understand that some people have had some leaking in their roof as a result of it. This is the front of the house. See, the snow's piled up there on the bushes. I hope these bushes are just about completely buried in snow. There'll probably be some damage. Well, this is March 2nd, 1996, another snowfall.